Rebecca the recycling truck and her team of mechanicals are so busy today. There's bins all over town waiting to be emptied. Oh dear. I think Rebecca wants to help her team, but she doesn't have the right tools to do it. Come over to the garage right away, Rebecca. I've got a bright idea. We can fit Rebecca with a new tool to help her collect the recycling. With a super powerful electromagnet, Rebecca will be able to lift the bins up all by herself. Garage doors open at speed. It's time to help a vehicle in need. That looks brilliant, Rebecca. Why don't you go and try it out? Magnet on. That's the metal bin emptied. Magnet off. This is working perfectly. Magnet on. That's odd. Rebecca can't seem to pick up the other bins. Of course! Rebecca's magnet doesn't work on the paper, glass, and plastic bins. Magnets only work on metal things, like the mechanicals. Oh no! Rebecca, come back to the garage. Quickly! I know you want to pick up that plastic bottle from the river, but it's not metal, so your magnet wouldn't work. Don't worry, Rebecca. I've had another idea. We'll swap your magnet for this orange grabber and green robotic arm. There! That's much better. That orange grabber should work on all the bins, not just the metal one, and your robot arm should help you collect any loose bits of rubbish. Fantastic! Rebecca's new tools work a treat. Now she can help her team collect the recycling in double quick time. Thanks everyone for watching, and don't forget to recycle. For now, it's cheerio from Gecko. Bye! Hello everyone! Welcome back to Gecko's Garage. It's a beautiful, hot, sunny day, and I've been making some improvements to our truck wash. The mechanicals are very proud of their new garden, but it looks like the plants need some water. It's not rained for a few days. Oh look! Here comes Sammy the school bus. Oh my, Sammy! You're covered in mud. Not to worry, we'll get you cleaned up at once. Mechanicals, ready the truck wash. Red, yellow, blue, and green. It's time to make this vehicle clean. Calm down, Green. It's just the truck wash. Are you feeling okay, Sammy? What's all that noise? Oh no! Sammy, your sunroof was open in the truck wash. You're full up with water and Green Mechanical's fallen in. Don't panic, Green. We'll have you out of there in no time. Sammy, open your doors to let the water out. All that water has shorted out Sammy's electrics. Electricity and water don't mix. Without his electrics, Sammy's doors won't open. What can we do to rescue Green? Of course, the sunroof. Quick, Mechanicals. I need some rubber hose, a barrel, a funnel, and an old tyre pump, please. Go, go, go! Okay, it's finished. Don't worry, Sammy. We'll soon have you dried out. Are you ready, Mechanicals? All right then, red and blue. Pump! There you go, Sammy. All better now. You'll soon dry out in the sun. Though next time you go for a truck wash, I'd suggest you keep your sunroof closed. Look, the Mechanicals are using the spare water on their garden. What a great idea. It'd be a shame to waste it. Thanks everyone for watching. For now, it's cheerio from Gecko. Bye!
Baby truck, do-do-do-do-do, baby truck, do-do-do-do-do, baby truck, do-do-do-do-do, baby truck. Mommy truck, do-do-do-do-do, mommy truck, do-do-do-do-do, mommy truck, do-do-do-do-do, mommy truck. Daddy truck, do-do-do-do-do, daddy truck, do-do-do-do-do, daddy truck, do-do-do-do-do, daddy truck. Grandma truck, do-do-do-do-do, grandma truck, grandma truck, grandma truck. Grandpa truck, grandpa truck, grandpa truck, grandpa truck. Monster truck, monster truck, monster truck, monster truck. Let's go race, let's go race, let's go race, let's go race. Go faster, go faster, go faster, go faster. Baby wins, baby wins, baby wins, baby wins. Time to rest, time to rest, time to rest, time to rest. Baby truck.
The rocks and rubble from the ground underneath the twigs. There's no trouble loading and we're filling up the lorry. These rocks will make a new road now. We've dug them from the That's really very clever. The boom can reach out front and back and dig in any weather. It's time for me to hide away, to let the blast begin. Then lots of empty dumpers come. Now you can watch me spin. I'm an excavator, and digging is my job. I'm an excavator. It's time to load this rock. The dipper and the buckets help to dig a hole so deep. They're strong and do the job so well, even when it's steep. I'm an excavator, and digging is my job. I'm an excavator. It's time to load this rock. I'm an excavator, and digging is my job. I'm an excavator. It's time to load this rock. Deck the halls with boughs of holly. Fa la 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 la. 'Tis the season to be jolly. Fa la 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 la. Clear the roads and drain the barrel. Fa la 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 la. Sing this ancient Yuletide carol. Fa la 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 la. Take the lights and wrap them nicely. Fa la 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 la. We'll decorate the tree precisely. Fa la 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 la. Put the star right at the top. Fa la 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 la. We don't want the fun to stop. Fa la 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 la. Santa brought his sleigh to Gecko. Fa la 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 la. Something's wrong, it's going too slow. Fa la 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 la. Fix the sleigh and make it faster. Fa la 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 la. Vicky sees us zoom straight past her. Fa la 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 la. Flying through the chilly evening. Fa la 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 la. Up and down we're swiftly weaving. Fa la 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 la. Up the rooftops through the snow. Fa la 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 la. Spreading joy with a ho ho ho. Fa la 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 la. Fa la 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 la. Here comes Baby Truck. Baby Truck's wheels go round and round, round and round, round and round. Baby Truck's wheels go round and round all day long. Baby Truck's dummy goes squeak, 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 squeak. Baby Truck's dummy goes squeak, squeak, squeak all day long. It's Mummy! Mummy Truck's horn goes beep, 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 beep. Mummy Truck's horn goes beep, beep, beep all day long. Here comes Daddy! Daddy Truck's wipers go swish, 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 swish. Daddy Truck's wipers go swish, swish, swish all day long. Hello, Grandpa! Grandpa Truck goes grumble, 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 grumble. Grandpa Truck goes grumble, grumble, grumble all day
long.
Wow, Granny!
Granny truck zooms around the bend, around the bend, around the bend. Granny truck zooms around the bend all day long.
It's the whole family!
The wheels on the trucks go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the trucks go round and round all day long.
Hello there, everyone, and Merry Christmas! Things are really lively today at Gecko's garage. The mechanicals are decorating the tree. That's Blue's Christmas present from all of us, a brand new stove. He's loving learning to cook on it. And I'm just finishing Baby Truck's winter checkup. There you go, Baby Truck. All good. Oh no! We're snowed in! It's no use, mechanicals. It'd take until New Year's for us to dig ourselves out that way. We'll need to think of something else. I have an idea. Mummy Truck, we're going to need your help. Blue, I'm sorry, we're going to need your new stove. It's the most important bit of the design. I promise I'll take good care of it and bring it back safe and sound. Is that okay? Okay, mechanicals, fire her up. Hooray! It works! Now that we're all freed, it's time to help some vehicles in need. Good work, Mummy Truck. Great work, team. Nice work, Mummy Truck. You're a real winter hero. There you go, Blue. Just like I promised. Not a scratch. Thank you so much for letting us borrow it. Merry Christmas to you too, Blue. Merry Christmas, everyone. We'll see you again soon. Bye!